Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 3rd on a Tuesday, and market's been kind of hanging on in this kind of range. We are gapping down, seeing a gap down this morning. Boy, it sure feels like we may have a date with this 200-day moving average here around the 420 level, which is also a nice support level. So kind of the area I'm eyeballing and not doing a whole lot right now in my swing trading account. We will go over some setups today because there are some things that are holding up well, especially a couple of biotech or pharmaceutical companies. But let's dive in. First on the list is this AMRX. And as you can see, this one has been kind of holding in a nice tight range. Okay, this is being wound pretty tight. So look for a trade maybe above or a break above that 440 level in that AMRX. Another one is TGNX. It's been, once again, very similar. Had a nice move higher and going sideways. Okay, this may take some time. You got this 10-period moving average. It might want to wait to see if it can push it higher, but still one to keep on your radar. Maybe just a break of that range there in TNGX. Let's see, there was another one out there. SGEN, one to keep an eye on today. Okay, obviously had some news the other day, nice gap up, and it is touching its 10-period moving average now. So maybe look for like a 4-day high break in that SGEN for some follow through to the upside. And let's find one more. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go with the old school big boy here is Meta, META on Facebook, right? Formerly. Holding up pretty well. Okay, and you can see the wedge is building there. So, look for maybe a 3-day high there and just put an alert, set it and forget it, and who knows when it may go off. All right, guys. One last one, XL. I'm just going to pull it up real quick because I'm running out of time. I'm loving the way this was setting up another pharmaceutical biotech, if you would. Very nice pattern there. Very similar to some of the other stuff we looked at. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.